In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue tags. Tags are one of the simplest ways to organize, review, and learn from your trades, and in just a few moments, you'll see how to add them quickly and consistently. First, head to the Trades area in your account. This is the hub where all your imported executions and closed positions are listed. Opening this section helps you see your full history at a glance, which is essential before you start adding any organizational details. Make sure you're signed in and that your trades are visible. If you've recently imported data, give it a second to finish processing so everything appears correctly. Next, click on a specific trade to open its detail view. This page shows the story of that trade, your entries and exits, position size, P&L, and often related notes or charts. Choosing a representative trade you want to analyze is helpful, especially if you're beginning to build a consistent tagging approach. The detail view is where you'll actually attach the tags so they travel with the trade for future searches, filters, and reports. Once the trade detail is open, find the Tags field. It's typically near the top or alongside the trade information. Click into that field and start typing your tag or tags. Think of tags as quick labels that describe what matters to you about the trade. You might use them to capture the setup you traded, the market condition, the time of day, the strategy variant, or any factor you want to review later. Keep tags short, meaningful, and consistent. For multi-word concepts, consider using a simple format like hyphens to keep them uniform. As you type, you may see suggestions from tags you've used before. Selecting from those helps you avoid duplicates or slightly different spellings that dilute your data. After entering a tag, hit Enter to add it. If you're adding multiple tags, type each one and press Enter after every tag so they're saved individually. You can also use the Save option if it's available on the page. The key is to confirm that each tag appears as a small label or chip in the Tags area. Take a second to double-check spelling and consistency before moving on, because clean tags make a big difference when you start filtering and running reports later. That's the full flow. Go to Trades, open the Trades detail, type your tags into the Tags field, then hit Enter or Save. With a few clear, consistent tags on each trade, you'll have faster searches, clearer reports, and better insights every time you review your performance.